Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Saturday. It's farmer's market morning. Yes. Will you be going to your local farmer's market this morning? I am. I have some friends to say hi to, and I got a few things I need to pick up. Last night basically technically was a night off for me from cooking. Robin came over last night and we had Papa Murphy's pizza. It's one of our favorite things to do. Basically, I order a ham and a jalapeno pepper pizza, and then I add crushed pineapple to it. Basically, I like the crushed versus the chunked pineapple. And I had some extra green onion greens, so I sprinkled those on there. We had a nice evening. Yeah, it was a fun day. Just watch the pictorial video. It's all done in jest. It's all done for fun. The culinary expedition continues today. Today, I'm traveling to Malaysia. I'm going to be preparing a Malaysian chicken curry. Had to kind of decipher the notes a little bit. There's a lot of notes with this recipe, by the way. So when you get to download it tomorrow, there are a lot of notes. Yeah. Let's just get to it. Got the hardware going. Got the brazier out. And the back crockery is actually to marinate the chicken. And the other crockery is for rice. You can also serve roti or a flatbread with this. I got a couple of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I'm going to be creating a paste. The paste consists of an onion, garlic, and ginger. And one of the blendings I did this week is a Malaysian meat curry powder. This is intended for meat, beef, lamb, pork, chicken, yeah. But yeah, this one's developed for proteins. The rest of this is curry leaves, chili peppers, cinnamon stick. They're kind of doing a bouquet garnier with this. There's a little bit of chicken bouillon. I actually had to go and buy some. I think you could probably use stock with this. You know, one thing I never indicate is there's water involved here. They called out a chicken puree, or not a chicken, I'm sorry, a tomato puree, but I'm actually going to use tomato paste because it's only like a tablespoon. They called for coconut cream. It does exist. I can't find it here locally, so I'm going to be going with a little bit of coconut milk. As you can see, I bought the resealable type this week. And I'm going to be using a couple red potatoes, which I'll hack up, and some rice. And just a little bit of oil to fry the chicken once it's done marinating for several hours. So here's the goodies for today's Malaysian chicken curry. Got the food processor out to do the paste. So very soon I'm going to be creating this paste and getting the chicken into the paste to marinate for several hours. Oh, wow. All right. On this Saturday, have fun at the farmer's market if you're going. And if I don't see you tomorrow or Monday, have a good Memorial Day weekend. Yeah. So on that, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.